Today we're diving into a question that many of us have pondered. Is Windows still the best operating system out there? With so many alternatives popping up, I've got some thoughts that might surprise you. Windows is a veteran in the operating system world, and its core functionality remains robust. From productivity to gaming, it caters to a wide audience. The interface is user-friendly, especially for those who have used it in the past. You've got your taskbar, start menu, and familiar window management, all designed to make navigation straightforward. However, with Windows 11, Microsoft has made some significant changes that might not sit well with everyone. The new design is sleek, but some users find it less intuitive, especially those who love the classic look. Performance-wise, it generally runs smoothly, but there are reports of higher system requirements that could leave older machines struggling. What stands out immediately is the sheer number of applications available. Windows supports a vast library, which is a huge plus. But let's be honest, the frequent updates can be annoying, and there are still concerns about security vulnerabilities that keep popping up. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, Windows offers a vast ecosystem of software and games, making it a go-to for many users. The compatibility with various hardware is also a strong point. However, there are downsides. Some users are frustrated with the constant updates that can disrupt workflow. And while Windows has made strides in security, it still feels like a target compared to some alternatives. For those using older hardware, the jump to Windows 11 might not be worth it, especially if you're not looking to upgrade. If you're a casual user or a gamer, you'll likely find Windows suits your needs perfectly. But if you're someone who values simplicity and minimalism, you might want to explore other options. So, is Windows still the best operating system? It really depends on your needs. If you're deeply embedded in the Microsoft ecosystem, it's hard to beat. But if you're looking for something lighter or more secure, alternatives like Linux might be worth considering. Overall, Windows remains a solid choice, but it's not without its challenges.